So I'm running my hands through it and I'm not getting any shedding. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Myaa Miliani. As y'all can see, I'm a little dressed up. Like, So I got a wig in the mail. It's a curly wig that looks like natural hair and it's a throw on and go wig. So I'm kind of excited. I didn't open the box yet because I'm so excited. I wanted it to be a surprise to y'all and to me. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, so I didn't even have to do my bowl cap method. I just threw on a bowl cap. The box looks so pretty. I'm gonna dead keep this forever because this is so cute. Oh my god, guys, look. They were kind enough to send me this wig. This is one of their new units on their website. It's a new glueless wig. Go check it out, guys. I'm so excited. Look how cute the box is. Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. I'm in love. I'm so happy. Like, so sweet and it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so they gave me lashes. Let me back this up. I got some lip. This is so cute. They gave me a comb, guys. Let me show you all the things they gave me. This is so nice and sweet. I love this. I'm so happy. Oh my god, this just made my day for real. So I got earrings, I got nails, I got a scrunchie, I got a comb. This is the iPhone thing. And I got some lashes. Okay, they included hair care tips and what to do with the hair, how to care for the hair. Let's get into what y'all came here for. Let's open it out. This is how it comes. This is how it comes packaged. This is really cute. Okay, this is the wig. I got a little head, so this is much needed. Oh my god, I needed that. So it comes with 3 clips and it also comes with the adjusters. It also comes with the adjusters and it comes with an adjusting strap. Look at these curls. Do y'all see these curls? I'm in love already. I want to take it by the strap and then flip it. Hold on. Put that in. Using them. This is kind of cute. Got my spray bottle here and I got my wide tooth comb. I'm really trying. Oh my god, it's so soft. Wetting it and like brushing it through. Make sure you're like scrunching it because that makes the curls pop. If you ain't running to their website right now to go and get this wig, what are you doing? Look at this. Look how they move and they're so fluffy and soft. Let me show you this side. So I'm just running my fingers through it. And then you want to make sure you're scrunching the hair. So honestly, I'm kind of shocked because, like, I'm be honest with y'all, I don't like bangs, but surprisingly, this actually looks really cute on me. And I didn't have to cut the bangs. Like, when I see wigs like this, they usually have to cut the bangs, but it don't seem like I really have to cut the bangs. I didn't touch the bangs at all, actually. I just kind of wet them, scrunched them, and yeah. getting any shedding. Well, I mean, I got a string. I would like to also mention, this wig has not slided and it has not like moved anywhere. Yeah, the wig is obviously glueless, so easy to put on, easy to take off. No, I'm showing out. Like, I keep feeling and touching on the hair. I'm sorry, I'm in love. Now this is really cute. Okay, you guys, this is a glueless wig. It's a throw and go unit. I'll leave the link to this wig down in the description below, and y'all better go run and go get it because it's one of their new arrivals. So I hope you guys like this hair. It's a glueless wig, so girl, your edges, save your edges, save your edges. This wig does not slide. It ain't slide since the moment I put it on my head. This is a glueless unit, so if you want to take it off before bed, you can do that without having to rip it off with the glue. It's literally what it says it is, a throw in and go wig, period. I kind of want to take it off just to show y'all like it don't take much, so I'm gonna take it off for y'all right now, and then I'm gonna just throw it back on my head. So I'm gonna take it off for y'all. Look how easy it is to take off, and look how easy it is. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. This is the hair, so I'm gonna give you guys a last twirl around so you guys can see the hair, so you guys get to enjoy the hair. If you like to purchase this wig, the link will be in the description down below with my discount code. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the wig. I'm gonna show you this side and this side. Look at the back. Hope you guys love it and I love you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.